going to explain the types of bonds, examples. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Here, types of bonds, and they will give what type of bonds are present in these examples. Okay, HCl. HCl means H plus and Cl minus, and a covalent bond also present, partially plus and partially negative. Okay, and HCN, H plus and H minus, Cl minus, partially, and covalent bond. Means ionic and covalent bond is present. Like that, NaOH, Na plus and O and H, ionic and covalent bond. Like Na2SH, Cl, H plus and Cl minus, and covalent bond is present. Here also H plus and Cl minus, Cn minus, and covalent bond is present. Na plus and OH minus and oxygen hydrogen contain covalent bond. Na plus and CO3 minus 2 and carbon and oxygen contain covalent bond. Na plus 2 and SO4 minus 2 ionic bond, plus 2 and minus 2 ionic bond, and sulfur and oxygen is covalent bond. Means what type of bond is present here? Ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond is ionic and covalent bonds. Ionic and covalent bond is present in this. And second type. Second category, like CO. What type of bond is present? CO. CO contain covalent bond. Dash means covalent bond, and arrow. Arrow means day2 bond. Covalent bond and day2 bond is present. And we can also see if this is first case, this is second case. Okay. Means only ionic and covalent bonds. Here, second, we can see like this. Only square bracket. Before and after, no, is nothing is present. Like this. K4 means CO, NH3, CONH3. What type of bond is present? In this case, they contain covalent bond and day2 bond. Covalent and day2 bond. Day2 bond. Covalent bond and day2 bond. Because dash means covalent, day2 arrow means day2 bond. Like that, BF3 and NH3. BF3 NH3. Here covalent bond. Nitrogen is a covalent bond. Boron fluorine is a covalent bond. But NH3 and BF3 is combined with the day2 bond. With the day2 bonds. Okay, day2 bond and covalent bond is present. And third type. NH4Cl. It contains plus, minus, and ionic, covalent, day2 bond is present between NH3. Okay, and also the compounds contain before the square bracket and after the square bracket. I am taking the example means The square bracket without, before and after nothing is present, is only covalent and dative bond. But square bracket before and after, is present, like K4 Fe CN6, K4 Fe CN6. Square bracket before K4 is present, like this, CONH3 6 Cl3. After the square bracket, Cl3 is present. Okay, they shows what type of bonds? They shows three types of bonds. What is this? Ion plus and minus, ionic, and covalent, and dative bond. Suppose I am explaining this K4 FeCN6. Fe is the central. Fe is the central surrounded with 6 Cn, carbon, nitrogen, carbon contain carbon and nitrogen, triple bond. Carbon, nitrogen contain triple bond. Carbon, nitrogen contain triple bond. Okay. And K4 plus minus 4 and K4K plus. K4 na, that is 4 4K plus. This is minus 4. Means here positive charge. What is this? Here positive charge and minus. Positive and negative means ionic bond. Positive negative means ionic bond. And arrow mark means dative bond between cyanide and iron. And carbon nitrogen is combined with two covalent bond. Means three types of bonds. Plus and minus ionic bond. Dash means covalent bond. Arrow means dative bonds. Okay. And last type hydrogen bond. Here CuSO4, like Mg, fourth type of bond, MgSO4 7H2O, CuSO4 5H2O. They contain all types of bond, means ionic bond, Cu plus 2. What is this? Cu plus 2 or Cu plus 2 SO4 minus 2. Cu plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. Ionic bond. And sulfur and oxygen. Sulfur and oxygen contain covalent bond. Okay. And dative bond also present between sulfur and oxygen. Dative bond. And water is present means hydrogen bond. Here only 4 hydrogens are 4 H2O molecule is linked with copper. 4 H2O molecule is linked with copper, like this. This is very important. Cu H2O plus 2, SO4 minus 2, okay, and one H2O is present outside. So this is plus and minus ionic bond, water, hydrogen bond, arrow, dative bond, H2O and sulfur, they contain covalent bond. Means how many H2O linked with directly with the copper? 4. Only 4 H2O directly linked with copper is very important. Out of 5 H2O, how many H2O are directly linked with copper? How many? Only 4. This is the only 4 is directly linked and one H2O is outside. And fifth, polar and non-polar covalent bond is present. Both are present. Like H2O2 hydrogen peroxide and N2H4 hydrogen. N2H4 and H2O2 shows both polar and non-polar covalent bond. Both polar and non-polar covalent bond is present only in these two, H2O2 and N2H4, hydrogen and hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide, N2H4 means hydrogen. Like H2O2 means, if you see H2O2 structure, OOH, open book-like structure. This is a open book-like structures. Open book-like structures. This is a open book-like structures. Okay, this is a open book-like structures where the polar covalent bond is present. Polar covalent bond is present. O and O. O and O is a non-polar. O and O is a non-polar. O and H is a polar because positive pole hydrogen and oxygen is a negative polar. This is the very important. Means in this HCl, HCN, NaOH, Na2CO3, Na2SO4, they shows both ionic and covalent bonds, and CO, carbon monoxide, and square bracket before and after nothing is present. They shows covalent and day2 bonds, BF3 and NH3, and NH4Cl, NH4Cl, and square bracket before and square bracket after shows ionic, covalent, and day2 bond. So I explained the potassium ferrocyanide. Iron and cyanide is linked with the day2 bond. Carbon and nitrogen linked with the double bond, triple bond means covalent, positive and negative means ionic. And magnesium sulfate, magnesium MgSO4 7H2O, CuSO4 7H2O contain ionic bond, covalent bond, day2 bond, and hydrogen bond. Ionic, covalent, day2, hydrogen bond. I explained CuSO4. CuSO4 actually 5H2O, but only 4 H2 is directly linked with the copper, 1 H2 is outside. Water means hydrogen bond, ionic bond, minus and plus in ionic bond, day2 bond, and also sulfur contain covalent bond. SO4 is contain covalent bond. Only 4 OH is linked. Next, H2O2 and N2HO4. Hydrogen peroxide and hydrogen shows polar covalent and non-polar covalent. Polar and non-polar covalent bonds. Like H2O2 is an open book-like structure. Oxygen linked with non-polar covalent. Oxygen hydrogen linked with polar covalent. Thank you very much and subscribe.